Kaseng Hspdp kebadan ha ka Sorkar MDA kala Kyntu ya umentirang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma ba uday ban Sdang no khamklo ya ka Jingïakren Pynbeit pot bat ka Assam. Abakran ha ka sngi balang presiden ke Hspdp uba KP pangyang ulaong ba ha ka jingsisa ka seng kala pensngyo bat kala ajing tho ba ka day ban Sdang no ya ka Jingïakren Pynbeit pot bat ka Assam na benta Kyntu tli gijaka ki badang sa teng hindrai lada ka dang penslem biang ka seng kan late pan tinru biang ha kine kisngi banwan uba pangyang laong ba uput usam uday kawai kamat ka ba hakmat du jang ka Hspdp ngadu menchua bat hadu mentak seng kam song that setia ban penpo ya kanega kam sha ka bakut ha ka juga po laong ba ka seng kala sngungu ya ka Sorkar ka bala dep ban Pynbeit ha kinriu tli kijaka ha kisnem bala dep bat kan song that ban simkhya ya kanega kam hadu bakan urlong.
As we are aware of the fact that Hspdp always, crying, demanding since statehood, creation of statehood till now. So since the matter is still on the way, yet to be finalized, so we keep on saying, keep on reminding that the government should take this pending matter at the earliest. That is the voice from the Hspdp till now, and hopefully the government has to act on this since they have already exercised the matter to complete the remaining 6 sectors, and 6 sectors we really feel grateful to government. They have already started the talk, the exercise, and we hope this remaining 6 will be done at the earliest.
So if I'm not mistaken, you are also the member of the regional committee.
Right.
So I just wanted to ask, because in the reply that was tabled in the assembly, the government said that the time for submission, it's September end. No?
Yes.
September end. So whatever you guys submit, then only they'll start the talk. No. But how can you start the talk when there are no joint visit, nothing so far? So what is your take?
Everything has been put in place. We know that each district, those who have disputed sector, the government has already notified the numbers, the members of each regional committees. So hopefully, and we believe that since the party has personally met the chief minister, it is 3 weeks back, we went and meet personally. He has promised that after the winter, the autumn session is over, then they will start the talk. They will resume the talk. So I hope that they will do the needful, and if the talk will not resume in these coming days, then again the party will go and remind the government to restart again and to resume the talk at the earliest, as we have already demanded by the party.
Okay, so
that's all.
So the regional committee stands ready with its report.
All regional committees already put in place. Either West Khasi Hill, Ribhoi district and Jingïakren district.
You are ready with your report?
See, the report is not yet ready because they have to start this second phase. So it is the boundary of each regional committee to start the works. So the government needs to reopening the talk with Assam counterpart with immediate effect.
Okay, yeah.
That's all.